You don't have a short attention span. You were trained. Someone is trying to steal your focus, and they're very good at it. Think about this. You can't focus on one task for 10 minutes, but you can scroll for 2 hours without even noticing. That's not laziness. That's not a lack of discipline. That's design. Your brain didn't break. It adapted. And what it adapted to was engineered. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how it happened and why it feels almost impossible to stop. Every time you open your phone, something happens. You don't just see content. Your brain receives a reward. A new post, a new video, a new notification, something unexpected. And your brain loves the unexpected because unpredictability releases dopamine. And dopamine isn't pleasure. It's anticipation. It's the feeling of maybe. Maybe this next video will be better. Maybe this next scroll will be more interesting. Maybe this next notification will matter. So you keep going and going, not because you're bored, but because your brain is searching for the next reward. Apps understand this extremely well. They don't design platforms randomly. Every color, every sound, every vibration, every infinite scroll feature, it's tested, measured, optimized for one purpose, to keep you there. Because attention equals money. The longer you stay, the more ads you see. The more ads you see, the more profit is generated. So your attention became valuable, more valuable than you realized. But here's where it gets deeper. The reward isn't constant. If it were constant, you would lose interest. Instead, it's variable. Sometimes the content is amazing. Sometimes it's average. Sometimes it's boring. And that inconsistency is powerful. It creates a loop. The same psychological loop used in slot machines. You pull the lever. You don't know what you'll get. That uncertainty keeps you playing. Now replace the lever with your thumb. Every swipe is a pull. Every refresh is a spin. Most people say, I'm just bored. But boredom today is different. Real boredom used to feel quiet, still, empty. Now boredom feels restless, uncomfortable, like something is missing. Because your brain now expects stimulation. Constant stimulation. Fast stimulation, endless stimulation, and real life doesn't move that fast. Reading is slow, studying is slow, building skills is slow, but scrolling is instant. So your brain chooses instant, again and again, until slow things start to feel painful. That's not your fault. It's adaptation. Your brain learned that fast equals reward, and slow equals nothing. Over time, this changes more than your attention. It changes your patience. It changes your decision-making. It even changes your identity, because what you consume shapes what you think, and what you think shapes what you become. If an algorithm controls what appears on your screen, it influences your perspective, not by force, but by repetition. Show someone the same type of content repeatedly, and their worldview begins to shift, slowly, quietly, without them even noticing. That's the real power, not distraction, direction. When was the last time you sat in silence for 10 full minutes? No phone. No music, no background noise, just your thoughts. Did it feel uncomfortable? If it did, that means something. Your brain has been trained to avoid stillness. Because stillness doesn't provide quick rewards. But stillness is where clarity lives. Deep focus lives there. Creativity lives there. And those things don't compete well with endless stimulation. Here's the part most people misunderstand. The system isn't evil. It's efficient. It found what works. And what works is unpredictability, speed, emotion, conflict, novelty. So it gives you more of that. And your brain adjusts, again and again, until normal life feels too quiet, too slow, too plain. But here's the truth. If your brain adapted once, it can adapt again. Neuroplasticity doesn't disappear. Attention can be rebuilt. Patience can return. Focus can strengthen. But only if you notice what happened. Only if you become aware. Awareness breaks automation, because once you see the loop, you can interrupt it. Not perfectly, not instantly, but gradually. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You were trained, and training can be reversed. The question isn't whether you're bored. The question is, who benefits from your distraction, and what could you build? If you took your attention back, you're not bored. You were programmed.